Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of feeling sluggish, bloated, and inflamed? It's time to ditch the sugary rubbish and embrace a cleaner, healthier you. We're about to embark on a 7-day culinary journey that will transform your body from the inside out. This isn't some fad diet, alright? This is about making sustainable changes to your eating habits that will leave you feeling energized, focused, and in control. We're talking about real, whole foods packed with flavor and nutrients, not some bland, tasteless mush. Over the next week, I'm going to be your guide in the kitchen. I'll be sharing my no-nonsense approach to cooking up anti-inflammatory meals that are not only good for you, but taste bloody fantastic. Get ready to learn, get ready to cook, and get ready to feel the difference. Alright, you lot, day 1, and we're hitting the ground running. No more excuses, no more procrastination. Today, we're taking charge of our health, one delicious meal at a time. For breakfast, we're starting the day right with a hearty and satisfying smoked salmon and avocado toast. None of that sugary cereal rubbish. We're talking about protein-packed smoked salmon, creamy avocado, and a sprinkle of chili flakes for a fiery kick. It's the perfect fuel to power you through the morning. Lunch is all about keeping things light and fresh. Our grilled chicken salad with lemon vinaigrette is a symphony of flavors and textures. Think juicy grilled chicken, crisp lettuce, crunchy cucumbers, and a zesty lemon vinaigrette that will make your taste buds sing. And for dinner, we're going for a flavor-packed turkey and vegetable stir-fry. This dish is a celebration of vibrant colors and bold flavors. We're talking about tender turkey, crisp vegetables, and a savory sauce that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. Remember, we're cooking with intention here. No distractions, no cutting corners. Focus on the task at hand, and let's make this a meal to remember. Now, I want to see those chopping boards out and those knives sharpened. Let's get this show on the road. Day 2, and you're still here. That's the spirit. I told you this wasn't some fly-by-night diet. We're in this for the long haul. Now, let's keep that momentum today going. We're having a chia seed pudding with berries. This isn't just some trendy breakfast bowl, you know. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for reducing inflammation, and the berries add a touch of natural sweetness and antioxidants. Lunch is a simple but satisfying tuna salad with avocado. Forget that mayonnaise-laden slop you get in supermarkets. We're using creamy avocado as a healthy and delicious base. It's packed with healthy fats and protein to keep you feeling full and energized all afternoon. And for dinner, we're spicing things up with a lentil soup. This hearty and flavorful soup is a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly evening and nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, consistency is key here. Don't let yesterday's success go to waste. Let's keep pushing forward and make today even better than the last. Now, stop gawking at the screen and get back to the kitchen. We've got food to prepare. Day 3, and we're officially halfway through this 7-day challenge. You're doing brilliantly, but don't even think about slacking off now. We're just getting started. For breakfast, we're having a spinach and feta omelet. This protein-packed breakfast is a great way to start your day with a healthy dose of greens and essential nutrients. And don't even think about overcooking those eggs. We want them light, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. Lunch is a simple but delicious salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation. And the roasted vegetables add a medley of flavors and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. And for dinner, we're having a chicken and vegetable curry. This fragrant and flavorful curry is a celebration of bold spices and fresh ingredients. It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly evening and nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, we're not just cooking meals here, we're creating a healthier lifestyle. So let's make every bite count. Now stop daydreaming and get back to the kitchen. We've got work to do. Chapter 4. Day 4. You've got this, Day 4, and you're still going strong. I'm impressed. Most people would have caved by now and reached for the biscuit tin. But not you. You're made of tougher stuff. For breakfast, we're having a Greek yogurt with berries and nuts. This protein-packed breakfast is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. The Greek yogurt provides a healthy dose of probiotics, which are great for gut health. And the berries and nuts add a satisfying crunch and a boost of antioxidants. Lunch is a light and refreshing quinoa salad with grilled chicken. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's also a good source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. And the grilled chicken adds a healthy dose of protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. And for dinner, we're having a shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. This light and flavorful dish is a healthy twist on a classic favorite. The shrimp is a great source of lean protein, and the zucchini noodles are a low-carb alternative to pasta. Remember, we're in the home stretch now. Don't let up. Let's finish this week strong. Now stop procrastinating and get back to the kitchen. We've got food to prepare. Clock and get back to the kitchen. We've got food to prepare. Chapter 6, Day 6. You're a culinary warrior. Day 6, and you're still standing. I've thrown everything I've got at you this week, and you've taken it all in stride. You're a culinary warrior. For breakfast, we're having a breakfast salad with eggs and avocado. This hearty and satisfying salad is a great way to start your day with a healthy dose of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. And don't be afraid to add a little spice with some chili flakes or hot sauce. Lunch is a light and refreshing chicken salad with grapes and walnuts. This salad is a delicious and nutritious way to use up leftover chicken. The grapes add a touch of sweetness, and the walnuts add a satisfying crunch. And for dinner, we're having a vegetarian chili. This hearty and flavorful chili is packed with vegetables, beans, and spices. It's a great way to warm up on a chilly evening and nourish your body from the inside out. Remember, you're almost there. Just one more day to go. Let's finish this week strong and make it a week to remember. Now stop patting yourself on the back and get back to the kitchen. We've got food to prepare. Chapter 7. Day 7. Day 7! You did it! You magnificent bastard! You've done it! You've conquered the 7-day no-sugar anti-inflammatory meal plan like a true champion. I've got to hand it to you. You've got guts. Most people crumble under pressure, but you've risen to the challenge. For breakfast, we're having celebratory blueberry and almond pancakes. Yes, you heard that right, pancakes. But these aren't your average sugar-laden pancakes. These are made with almond flour, blueberries, and a touch of honey for sweetness. They're the perfect way to start your day off on a high note. Lunch is a light and refreshing leftover chicken and vegetable soup. We're all about minimizing waste in this kitchen, so we're using up any leftover chicken and vegetables from the week to create a delicious and nutritious soup. It's the perfect way to fuel your body after a morning of basking in your success. And for dinner, we're going out with a bang with a grilled steak with roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli. You've earned yourself a treat, and what better way to celebrate your accomplishment than with a juicy, flavorful steak? We're talking perfectly cooked, melt-in-your-mouth goodness. Remember, this isn't the end, it's just the beginning. You've proven to yourself that you have the discipline and the skills to eat healthy and feel your best. Now go out there and conquer the culinary world. Now stop grinning like a Cheshire cat and get back to the kitchen. We've got a celebratory feast to prepare. Well, there you have it, you lot. You've survived the 7-day, no-sugar anti-inflammatory meal plan. I bet you're feeling lighter, brighter, and full of energy. Remember, this is just the beginning. Keep experimenting in the kitchen, keep pushing your boundaries, and never, ever settle for bland, boring food. If you've enjoyed this culinary boot camp and want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to share your culinary creations with me in the comments below. I want to see what you've learned. Until next time, keep cooking like you mean it.